After an exciting Name Our City Bird contest, flocks of voters made their voices heard, and one name soared above the rest. This was more than just a fun campaign. It was a chance to celebrate local wildlife and flex our civic wings. We're excited to reveal your pick for the name of our official City of Frederick bird.
Hello, thanks for coming. You're next in line. I'll be right with you. So how may I help you today? Wonderful, I'd be happy to help. All I need is your ID or proof of residency. Oh, Midnight! What a pretty name. Congratulations, you're ready to vote. Next, please.
And speaking of voting, our city election is just around the corner this fall. Make sure you're ready. Not sure where to vote, what district you're in, or who's running? Check out frederickmd.gov/elections to find everything you need, including an interactive Find Your District map.